Hey guys, today I'm so excited to show you a very spicy recipe, calamari with satay. Let's get started. For ingredients, we need 1 onion, 400 gram calamari, and remember chew the big one, don't chew the baby calamari. Chop garlic and chop lemongrass and a bottle of satay. Tear the sweet skin. Cut them about 1 square inch. Then cut lengthwise or widthwise, but don't make a piece of calamari separated. This cutting way helps the calamari absorb with the satay better and look nicer when it will bend after cooking. However, if you don't want to peel the sweet skin, it is fine. Some people even believe that the taste is sweeter if we do not tear the skin. For me, when I do the home cook, I don't peel the calamari skin. I prefer to leave it. Before you cook, you pour some boiled water into the calamari, so the water will come out, and also have the calamari not too fishy later. Leave it for 1 minute to all the water dry out. Heat the oil and add in the chopped garlic and chopped lemongrass, and you stir it until it's broken and turn to yellow. And then add in the calamari and stir it fast. And remember, at this step you use very high heat. If you use a low heat, the calamari will be too hard, too tough, and the water will come out, so the taste of calamari not very sweet. Then add in the satay. Because I want spicy, so I use the whole bottle of satay. The color turn really red, and later it will be very hot. And you stir fry about 4 to 5 minutes. And add in the onion. Onion will have the calamari sweeter. Before you add in the fish sauce or seasoning powder, you should taste the calamari satay first, because some satay could be spicy and salty and some are not. My satay is only spicy, not salty. So I will add in some onion, spring onion, and later I add in some seasoning powder. Some people they add in fish sauce and it smells so good. It's about ready to eat. If you do this dish at home, your whole kitchen will smell satay and spicy. Oh, looks so good. I'm so hungry. Stir-fry satay calamari is good when it goes with steamed rice or cold beer. Yeah, do you like it? I'm going to try it for you. Okay, we'll try the calamari with rice. Oh, it's so hot, so spicy. Yeah, really spicy. I think that you have to be careful with how much satay you add in. Thank you. Bye bye.
Nhìn cái.
Like, comment, subscribe my channel for new recipe every week. Thank you.